Welcome to Lab Express, where your care begins and ends with 5 simple steps. Step 1. Tawag o message lang. Contact us through landline, mobile, SMS, Facebook, or Instagram. Whichever you choose, siguradong tao ang inyong kausap, hindi bots o AI. Step 2. Bigay nyo lang ang lab order ng doktor ninyo. Kung walang order, kami na ang gagawa ng request na tailored para sa inyo. Kasama na dito ang quotation so you can decide right away. Step 3. Appointment setting na. Marami kaming visiting medical professionals kaya walang hintayan. Sabihin nyo lang kung kailan nyo gusto at kami na ang bahala. Step 4. Home service na. Our VMPs are always on time. They will explain the procedure at sisiguraduhin nilang komportable kayo before and after the service. Finally, your lab results will be sent to your email within 24 hours from your home service. In many cases, makukuha nyo ang results within the same day. No need to call, follow up, or visit the lab for your results. It's that easy. Walang traffic, walang pila, walang problema. Kaya naman Lab Express ang home service ng bayan.
Lab Express is certified by the Royal College of Pathologists of Australasia.